Hi, development of activity, storybook. 1. Write a 10-sentence text introducing yourself. It should include name, age, 2 personality traits, an activity you like, an activity you don't like, location, and favorite book. My name is Nicole Yeritza Ruiz Castañeda. I am 18 years old. I am a lit student in foreign language with an emphasis on English. I am very creative. I am a responsible person. I like to share with the people that I love. I like to travel and play with my pets and don't like wasting time. I live in Barbosa, Santander. At the moment, I don't have a favorite book. 2. Write a 10-sentence description on your favorite celebration or holiday. It should include name of the celebration, activities you do, food that, clothes that you wear, etc. My favorite celebration is Christmas and New Year's. I like it because I share with my family and people's love. At Christmas we open the gift. At Christmas we make the Christmas things. In the New Year we travel with our family. In the New Year we go to the river festival. I like to shop during the year of Christmas and New Year's. At Christmas we celebrate the birth of the child Jesus. In the New Year's we go to pools and rivers. In the New Year's we make roast with the family. 3. Write a 10-sentence description of the chores you do at home. Use adverbs of frequency, always, sometimes, never, rarely, often. I usually clean the dust. I usually wet up and make up the bed. I usually help shape and mop the house. I bath my pets often. Sometimes I wash the front of my I always wash the dish for breaks and lunch and dinner. I often wash my bedding. I usually cook. I hardly ever wash in the laundry room. I always wash in the washing machine. 4. Write a 10-sentence list of TV shows or movies or music or books you are currently watching, listening to, or reading. The last 2 sentences should present what you are always doing at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. I am currently reading books in the English. I always go to bed at 11 at night. Sometimes I listen to music. I never watch television shows. I often watch movies of Netflix. I am currently a student every day. I always have lunch with my family. I often play with my pets. I always wake up at 7 in the morning. I think like 7 at night. 5. Write a description of the sentence on the clothes on show wear according to force the answer or the weather in different regions on your country. I have to wear a jacket in the winter. I do wear a scarf in the winter. I must wear a bathing suit when I go to the beach. I have to wear boots when in the snow. I must wear dress in hot weather. I have to wear shorts to the river festival. I have to wear hands when it rains. I must wear glass in summer. I have to wear a cap in summer. I must wear a sweater when I go to Bogota. Thanks.